Hi viewers, welcome back. It's me here again, Ruby's Life in Oregon. In today's video guys, I will show you the hotel where we stay at here in Seaside, Oregon. And as you can see, the room is quite spacious, and right here they have a small sink, and I noticed that they have a lot of mirror in this hotel room. And let's go and check the bathroom. Bathroom is okay, and the space is just fine for me and my family. So there you go, everything is clean. That's good. Anyway guys, this hotel is called High Tide, and this is the area where you sleep. There's two bed, and the bed is very comfy anyway. And another kitchen space right here. They have a lot of utensil, pots and pan, and they have liquid dish soap, refrigerator. Of course, if you want to stay here longer, you can cook your food. It's much lesser it costs if you cook your own food. And they have toaster. Here's the stove, electric stove, and of course they have TV and a microwave to reheat your leftover food, and they have a fan and a heater. And what I like with this room, this one is in front of the beach, so you can see the beach in the morning when you wake up and hear the wave. And let's go check outside. There's the beautiful beach. Yes, I really miss the beach guys. That's why sometimes we like to visit here and just stay for a week or just stay for the weekend. Yeah, so enjoy the rest of the scenery. Thank you for watching. If you're not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell for more video to come. And thank you.